Struggling with mismatched accounts? In today's video, I'll show you how to reconcile your accounts in Zoho Books in under 1 minute. First, log into Zoho Books and head to your dashboard. From the left menu, click Banking, then Active Accounts. Select the account you want to reconcile. Next, go to Settings and choose Reconcile Account. Zoho Books will now compare your bank statement with your recorded transactions. Have your latest bank statement ready, then cross-check each transaction. If everything matches, great. If not, look for recording errors, bank fees, or timing differences. Zoho Books even highlights mismatches for you. Once your closing balance matches your bank statement, click Start Reconciliation and you're done. Regular reconciliation keeps your books accurate, saves time during tax season, and gives you a clear picture of your finances. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips.